Now we are going back home. We stayed in the karaoke or a band. What's that?
No, it's karaoke.
Ah, karaoke. But it's we dance. My God, it's really fun. Very good time for us. But you see my eyes.
What? Okay, you got tinted lenses on.
Huh?
Can't see my face.
My eyes are dying eyes now.
No.
Huh?
No.
Oh no. This is my adventure in USA. Pinoy US adventure. So I have lots of good experiences and sometimes bad, but I'm very thankful. My Papi Ken is always here. And I love him. Oh my God, what's that? The house is there. We are passing by our house in town. We are going to the lake house. And you know, I'm just missing the Philippines. I cook in a brow this morning. You know what I cook? It's yung tarulot ng Amerika. What did I cook this morning, Papi? It's the you know already what spinach and the what's that? No, it's not the one, the white one, the
Cauliflower.
it's very nice. I just put bagoong and it's done. I'm craving for inabraw. Where will I get inabraw in South Dakota? There's not even pinakbet at all or fresh fish. It's just all frozen food and meat and dried. No looya at all. Oh my God. No looya at all. Kaya pakinggan nyo ako. Pasensya na ha. Kasi nagluto ako pero kumain ako masarap with rice once a day. But today, back the owner of the Black Club, meron yung parang band, yung karaoke, and then we dance. Ken also render these songs. How many songs did you sing? 3. And then free food, but of course alam nyo naman, hamburgers, pasta, and then double egg. Wala tayong makuhang mga Pinoy food dyan na may sabaw. Okay? Salamat. Pauwi na kami. Thank you so much. Love you all. Bye.